Welcome back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share this video out. Y'all, you notice I didn't even take time to put on a shirt. It's about time I can report something like this. But first, y'all, if y'all getting tired of stimulus reports like the whole world is, check out my 10 o'clock video every night. It's Late Night with Walter. We don't talk about stimulus stuff there, and we don't talk about politics there. We just have good laid back fun. Y'all be sure and check it out. It's every night at 10 p.m. Okay, this is good. I think it's about time this happens. Steve Mnuchin. Y'all remember a few days ago, Larry Kudlow said that Steve Mnuchin was getting very frustrated with Nancy Pelosi. Well, now it's showing. Publicly, Steve Mnuchin has been staying very calm with this whole thing, staying very calm with Nancy Pelosi, not getting heated in public. Well, finally, Steve's gloves are coming off. And now he's firing back at Pelosi. It's about time, Steve Mnuchin, you do this. Y'all remember earlier today, Nancy Pelosi sent a letter to Steve Mnuchin, blaming him for all the holdup in the stimulus talks. At the very same time she sent it to him, she sent it to the press. Well, that made Mnuchin mad because he did not have time to respond to her before she went to the press with it. It made him mad, and now it's showing. He said, I woke up this morning to read a letter from you that you sent me, and you also sent it to the press. You sent the letter to me at the same time as you sent it to the press, not giving me time to respond. Steve Mnuchin said, I have spoken to you every day in the past 45 days in the attempt to reach a bipartisan compromise that would benefit the hardworking American people who have been impacted by COVID-19. He went on to say, Mark Meadows and I have dedicated endless hours to try to reach a compromise with you. But your letter to me inaccurately describes the status of our current negotiations. I feel obligated to publicly respond. Steve Mnuchin read her the riot act. Steve, I say it's about damn time you do this. I was wondering how long was it going to take you to grow a pair? When she sent this letter to Steve Mnuchin, the very same time she sent it to Steve Mnuchin, she sent it to the press, not giving him 1 minute to respond. She's trying to draw attention to herself, trying to make herself look good before the elections. Well, Nancy, you don't look good in anything. The faster we can get rid of you, the better off we'll all be. Y'all, I had to bring this to you because I'm excited about this. This just might be the thing that lights a fire under Nancy's butt. We can only hope and pray. Y'all, please check out my show at 10 p.m. tonight, and I love you all. Ciao.